Today we'll be starting a new boot camp series today using Puppy Linux, specifically a Bookworm 64 PC, and my favorite Digicam, which is Olympus C-3040 digital camera, which is approximately 20 years old. When I use this camera with a Puppet Linux, it's such an old camera. It uses a smart media card, and card reader is hard to come by because it's so old. So what I do is I just use a USB connection to the computer here with that fits here, and this is the cable that I use. And I've already taken a sample photo of the for this video. So let me just hook this up. So it's connected now, and then I'm just gonna switch the dial so you'll see the USB cable, and you'll just see the camera as a hard drive. So we'll go ahead and put this on here, and then we'll switch over to the monitor so you can at least quickly get a sense of what's happening. And here is the here's the USB Olympus camera. So we'll just click that, and DCIM folder is within 100 Olympus folder. That's reading off of the camera here. So there's 5 pictures. We'll just grab that, and then we'll just get it out, move it to a I'll just put it on my here is the photo that I use. Let me just go ahead and so root pictures, I have it under what's called the P4 folder, so we'll just go ahead and paste it in here. So there are 4 photos in the hard drive, internal hard drive. So we'll just proceed on with a direct screen recording from here. Now on my Bookworm Puppy Linux, I need 2 software to go ahead and convert these file names into exif file, which includes the date and time. And that's called the exiv2. And also I also want to install gthumb, which is a photo viewer and editor that I use extensively. So what we'll do at this time is go ahead and get into Synaptic package manager. In other Puppy Linux is Puppy Package Manager PPM, but this is in Bookworm, this uses Synaptic. So we'll go ahead and get into that, and then exiv2 is the name converter, so digital photo name converter. So we'll go ahead and enter that, and it's already installed here. So, and then the other one we'll need is gthumb photo view and editor. So here is installed, and I've also elected to install ffmpeg thumbs and ffmpg thumb nail reader nailer. So I've installed, and also gthumb data. So these are the programs that I installed already, and what this will allows me to do is to go ahead and we'll take a look at the jo-sh script file which I've installed, and I'll be running it. But the key thing that you here is the this command exiv2 converts it into year, monthly, and date and time. So, and also this also automatically starts the gthumb. So we'll go ahead and go back to the file here, which is what we need to do is get that converted over. So I'm just going to run the jo-sh file, and for you though, you may have to just go ahead and individually run it, exiv command within this folder, just to be able to do pretty much the same thing that I'm going to show you here. So I'll just go ahead and enter, and then what it does automatically opens using gthumb, which is the program you see here, in my p4 folder, which is the folder that contains these 5 photos. So these are the ones that I've taken. So we'll just go ahead and click one of them, and I've configured this gthumb, so it's gonna look something like this. So this is my screen monitor, and I got 5 photos, and then we're just gonna look at the when I just click an I key, it gives you exif folder properties. So you can see that this photo was taken with ISO 400, apertures f1.8, and is using camera model C3040, which is Olympus. So it gives you a lot of information. So we'll just go back to the editing mode E here. So, and so this is what I do, and then I can look at the other folders. Just go down the page down, and here's the USB stick. This is the one that I use to connect my Olympus. This is the one I use to connect to my Nikon digital cams. And otherwise, most of the digital cameras seems to have this end here. So I think that what we'll do is we'll go ahead and cancel and just make it maybe 1. So we'll just go ahead and then mainly introduction of day 1 is introduction of the camera and how to download and install exiv2 and gthumb. And then next tomorrow we'll go ahead and go through how to set up gthumb, and then be able to edit some basic functions.